Guys, Brian back here with a look at Myro. We hit our price targets here. Boy, is this thing an absolute beast or what? Unbelievable. We took a measurement from inside here. We were being a little, very realistic here with this target. We moved it up, and we had it up, I believe, at 12.5 cents here. Yeah, 12.5. We hit that. Now, we're going to take a look here in a second and see what's going on with the RSIs. So we definitely awesome that we went up and hit that. We used our, if you use the trend-based fib here, it gave you pretty much the same target also. Actually, it has a target up here at 13.3. Now that's going with closed candles. I don't like all the wicks here. I'm not using these wick highs and stuff, but you can see right in here that this, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you got 5 waves up. So they're definitely right. Both of these are right in that range. We'll look at some RSIs here in a second and see if it's going to go up further or if we're expecting a pullback here. Okay, let's go over here and look at the crypto bubbles. Having a little bit of a red day. We were kind of expecting that with the market here. Bitcoin dominance is absolutely plummeting. I got to show you that here. Within the last hour, having a lot of stuff starting to bounce here. Okay, I'm getting some RSIs reset. It looks like Bitcoin's going to start bouncing. I'm keeping a very close eye on that. I just put a Bitcoin video out. If you want to go check that out, some very, very important levels that thing has to hold and has to break. Okay, I want to show you this Bitcoin dominance. So look at this. Let's go on a daily. Let me open this up here. Look at this thing just rolling right over. All right. I had to actually, I went from the swing low here to the swing high. Well, it's broke through that 786 on that. So I actually went out to a weekly right here and took the swing low right down here to the swing high up here on this. That's 618. This is going to be very interesting when it gets down to this area. All right, your 618 and 702 are right between this 51%. Now that 51%, if this thing ends up coming down and double bottoming right here, all right, that is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin dominance. All right, if it comes down and bounces right there, then this thing is really going to probably start flying back up here. This 51% area is a very, very critical area. All right, I'd love to see it bust right through that and keep going, and see Bitcoin keep going up. And that is very possible. But with this Bitcoin dominance dropping, that's going to make the altcoins run. All right, that's what happens when you get a drop in dominance. The altcoins take off, and we nailed this. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exactly what we were talking about. All right, and it looks like it's starting to get a bounce here. Look at it. If you zoom in on the hourly, you see right after that fifth wave, look at this thing starting to bounce here. So looks like a possible double bottom here with this thing. You had a wick down here. If you go on the daily candle itself, though, there's no wick down there. All right, if you zoom in on an hourly, isn't that crazy? You'd think it would show it wicking down there, but it don't. So it actually has double bottomed. You can see 1, 2 bottoms. A double bottom is a bullish move. And if you haven't, guys, please go check out my level 3 trading membership. It's $14.99. You get 8 hours worth of videos, 17 videos to learn how to do this stuff. We're in a bull market for $14.99. I wish I found somebody that only charged that. I'm a small YouTuber. I got to generate some income, so I'm $14.99 is giving it away. All right, you can go learn how to do all this stuff. I have 62 members in there now, plus you get access to the Discord, so please go check it out. All right, you don't want to get caught. I'm telling you, I know from experience, in a bull run, people are going to take your money, or you're going to take theirs. That's right down to the bare bones. That's what this is about. You want to take theirs, they want to take yours. It's who's going to win. Everybody makes money in a bull run. It's a matter if you can keep it or not. That's exactly what it comes down to. All right, so Just keep it in mind. Check it out if you want to. For 15 bucks, you're not going to find that deal anywhere else. All right, let's take a look. Let's zoom in here on Myro. Let's put a fib on here and see where this thing is at right now. Getting right up to that 786. All right, so if it does not break back through 12.55, all right, I'm expecting this thing to ABC here. All right, keep a close eye on that 12.55. That is a very crucial area here. If it breaks through that, then it's going to go higher here. All right, we had that target. What was that Fibonacci target? Let's go back out here and see what that trend-based fib has as far as the target goes. All right, let's put that back on there. Swing low right there to the close. I'm using closing candles. 12. Let's go on a 4 hour so I can see this a little bit better. Let me redo. Let me put this back on here. All right. So wave 1 to the high, wave 1 to the retrace. You know, it could go higher here. It could go up, 13, 14 cents. Let's look at the RSIs and see what they say. The 4 hour, 75 and a 79. The 4 hour is bearish, but it's trying to turn up. Nope. You see that? Did you just see that happening? Watch this blue line right here. See if it does it again. It's at a 75 and a 79. It ticked back up and then it went right back down. All right, if the orange is on the outside, if your blue number is smaller than your orange number, you're bearish. All right, if your blue number is bigger than your orange number, you're bullish. And you want your blue line on the outside, okay? To see how the orange is on the outside, that's bearish. All right, so the 4 hour is bearish. It's trying to turn back up. It just did it. You can see it's trying to curve back up here. All right, the 8 hour, 87 and the 92, it's bearish. The 12 hours still going up, and the daily, we don't have one. So it's still trying to push up here. All right, you could squeeze a little bit more out of it before a correction comes in. Possible. It's already hit the 13. You could possibly get another penny maybe out of it, in my opinion. All right, then that would complete a 5 wave up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you could squeeze it up here maybe to 14 cents, but and who knows? I could be wrong. This thing could fly to the moon. No, that's my best shot at a target. That was the wedge target up at 12.5. We hit that. It's right at that now, right around there. We hit that target, the trend-based fib. Very, very close to hitting that target on that thing. Swing low, swing high, retrace. There you go. So very, very crucial, tight area here that we're working with. We get that on there. And you're technically, you would normally use even wicks with these, but these wicks are just so, the price action is so up and down here, right around 13, and we hit that, so it could push right back up here to the 13, maybe squeeze 14 cents out of it. Then I would expect an ABC, but quite honestly, all right, that's my opinion, guys. I'm gonna leave this on here. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna put a line up here, and we'll see if if we break through that or not. That 13.2. All right, if it breaks through 13.2, you might get 14 cents. Like I said, though, not financial advice. It could fly to the moon. We'll see what happens. I'll be back tomorrow with a video. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Congratulations, guys. This thing is up 33.8% today. All right, so very, very good day. Another good day out there. And thank you, Detroit Custom Painter, for bringing this to us, man. I appreciate that very much. You brought it to the community, and I can't thank you enough, brother. All right, have a good night, everybody. Talk to you soon.